like a moth to a flame. I'll pull you in, I'll pull you back to what you need initially. It's just one call away, and you'll leave him, you're loyal to me. But this time I'll let you be, 'cause he seems like he's good for you, and he makes you feel like you should. And all your friends say he's the one, his love for you is true. But does he know you call me when he sleeps? Or does he know the pictures that you keep?
Up to you. So yeah, we got it. I've dropped your bike off. Was it blurry? I've dropped your bike off. They're going to work out if it's a full bottom end or what's wrong with it. I just want to know why, because it's only been 50 hours. Shouldn't, you know, you're not wringing its neck out. But we'll get it fixed and we'll work out whether we're going to sell the 85 or the 65. Probably 65.
But does he know you call me when he sleeps? Or does he know the pictures that you keep? Or does he know the reasons that you cry? Or tell me, does he know where your heart lies, where it truly lies? Yeah, you should be with him and let you go from time. You should stay with him, 'cause he seems like he's good for you.
Sick lad. Ready for a ride tomorrow.
Feel like you should.